You don't put anything private you wouldn't post on the internet into free chat tools, free AI tools. Beyond that, it should be evaluated so that I would say don't use any AI tools that haven't been approved and evaluated. So there should be a method, a person, a committee, a list of allowed software where someone in the company has reviewed it and said, oh, we agree with this, we trust it, etc. So if you're on 365, Copilot is built into 365, and that's a really good place to start. That's your data is already in there, etc. Does that mean it's zero risk? Absolutely not. You are inviting the AI to go through all of your data with a fine-tooth comb, and you're putting it into the model. That is not a bridge you should cross lightly. But if it's a startup from a company you don't know in a place you don't trust, that's worse, right? So this is nuanced in terms of what you should trust. I think the key is to not let it be totally open and have a list of what's allowed and what's not allowed, and then have a way to review that, have a committee to review that. You don't want to stifle experimentation and innovation, but at the same time, you want to be aware of who's using what tool, what access there is across the company, where the company data is being put in, etc. So I wouldn't say there's any data you should never put into AI, right? It's levels, because you could have totally private AIs that run on your local machines, and then it's okay to put private data into there because it's not going out to third parties, right? But my message is that you should know, right? Don't have it happen in ways that you aren't aware of, right? So that you should go in with eyes open and be aware of everything that's happening and how it's happening. And so you should have a list of what's allowed and know what's going on, and then talk about it and be open about who's using what and how. And I think you'll go further that way because people will share all of the things that they're trying and thinking of, and then they'll get ideas from each other, and you'll ultimately have more success and have a better AI implementation because it's been two heads are better than one, or multiple people having ideas and trying things are better than one. And that way it's out in the open as opposed to, it happening in the shadows that you don't know about.